Today, we are going to discuss an important software testing technique known as white box testing. This topic focuses on understanding how software behaves internally by examining its source code, logic, and control flow. White box testing plays a crucial role in ensuring code correctness, improving software quality, and detecting errors at an early stage of development. In this session, we will explore the concept, objectives, techniques, advantages, and limitations of white box testing. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of how internal code analysis helps in building reliable and secure software systems. White box testing is a software testing technique in which the tester has knowledge of the internal code of the application. This testing approach focuses on the logic, structure, and code paths of the program. Since the internal implementation is visible to the tester, it is also known as structural testing or glass box testing. White box testing examines the internal logic and code structure of a software application. In this approach, the tester has full knowledge of the source code and its implementation. Testing focuses on executing statements, branches, and different execution paths. Because it requires code-level understanding, white box testing is mostly performed by developers. The primary objective of white box testing is to verify the correctness of internal code logic. It ensures that all possible code paths are executed during testing. This approach helps detect hidden logical errors within the program. Overall, white box testing improves code quality and software reliability. White box testing helps identify logical and structural errors in the code. It ensures the proper flow of control throughout the program. This testing approach improves software security and performance. By analyzing internal logic, it helps optimize the code. White box testing also supports early detection of defects during development. White box testing requires strong programming knowledge from the tester. Access to the source code is mandatory for this type of testing. The focus is on analyzing internal logic and code behavior. Testing is based on the structure of the code. It involves testing conditions, loops, and execution paths. Several techniques are used in white box testing to ensure thorough code coverage. These include statement coverage, branch coverage, condition coverage, path coverage, and loop testing. Each technique focuses on testing different aspects of the internal code to ensure all possible scenarios are executed. White box testing ensures that all statements in the program are executed at least once. It tests both true and false outcomes of decision conditions. Loops are verified to ensure they execute correctly. This approach also ensures that all possible execution paths in the program are covered. White box testing provides complete code coverage. It helps detect hidden errors within the program. This testing approach improves overall code quality. By analyzing internal logic, it helps optimize performance. White box testing also supports secure coding practices. White box testing requires strong coding knowledge from the tester. It can be time-consuming, especially for large and complex systems. This testing method is not suitable for user-level testing. Additionally, it may miss missing functionalities since the focus is mainly on internal code. To conclude, white box testing focuses on verifying the internal logic of the software. It ensures that the code executes correctly under different conditions. White box testing works effectively when combined with black box testing. Overall, it is essential for building reliable and high-quality software systems. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of unit testing and integration testing in software development. I'm happy to answer any questions or discuss further if needed.